Hey, it's Melissa with WTI. Have you ever seen a button that you just had to push? Well, that's what this reminds me of, this little drum set by Bright Starts. My son really does enjoy watching the colors flash. Now, he is a bit young, but he's learning to sit, so this is actually the perfect toy for him. And he's able to push the buttons. They're big and bold, easy to press, and it plays music. It has a drum, or you can listen to animal sounds from the Safari. Now the size of this little toy is perfect. I like it because it's easy to pack up in the diaper bag. You can compare it to a tissue box in size. I really do think it's the perfect size for a little one. It's not bulky. It's easy for them to carry around if they choose to. Now, I have two sons that really do enjoy playing with this little drum set. I enjoy watching them with the colors and the sounds. It's not something that's one of those toys that you just wish would stop playing. In case you do decide that you want to turn it off, you do have that option with the power button. And again, you can select for it to either play the drums or animal sounds. Now, I really do love the big bright colors that you're able to push. I think this is great for my little one who's learning lots and lots every day. I do think that your little one will enjoy it too, and that's my point of view.